Hello everyone and welcome back to my corner of YouTube. Today I would like to just go through changing the head bulbs on your Ford Ranger. I am going to change mine for these Stedi LED projector headlights. I changed them because the rules for MOT failures or for MOTs have changed in the UK, and if your headlights aren't designed to accommodate LEDs, it's a MOT failure. The nice thing about these Stedi projectors is that even with the LED upgrade, that if you put them in, you still get a really good kick-off to the left-hand side, like you should do, to prevent you from blinding oncoming traffic. So I'm not, going to blind people coming my way. It is just I want to see better, because the stock headlights on the Ford Ranger are pretty pants. So one on each side to do. This one is the hardest because there is basically no space. So I will show you now closer up. As you can see, there's barely enough space for my hand to go in here. When I first did it, I actually took the whole headlight out, but clearly that isn't an act of war. So you have to take the cap off first, which is it's got a rubber seal around it. It's a good thing to just give it a check, make sure that it's still properly sealing. So I put a little bit of not Vaseline, but something similar to Vaseline on there, just to keep it nice and easy to get it out. And then you need to get your smallest hand in there. Luckily I've got tiny hands, so it's not that hard, but you need to remove your watch as well, because otherwise you'll just get hung up on everything. And then try and remember which way. There we go, easy. And then just wiggle it out. And then to remove the headlight, there's a little clip there. You just loosen the clip and then pull, and then the stock headlight comes off. This is actually not stock, this is the Osram night breakers, so a upgrade to the stock ones, but they're still not very good. And what I am replacing it with, and this is what I'm replacing it with, it's the Stedi LED, specifically designed for projectors, and it's got a little fan on the back and this little ballast, so you need to get that in there as well. So the best thing to do is plug it back in. The good thing is you need to find the positive and negative. It says on there positive and negative, and then just look on your little bit, and then off you go. Pop it in. There you go. Now you need to tuck all of this in. Luckily there's enough space in there to get it done. You just need to be patient with yourself and then wiggle the light in. It's good to be able to see what you're doing. Now it has a seal on, and then you just need to twist it once it gets in. I might cut to the final, this is a bit finicky. There we go. It's a bit of a push. The good thing is there's a nice big air gap there, so if you pop that over, let's seat that properly, get the O-ring in, and then twist. Oh, come on. There we go, done. The nice thing about these, when you remove them, you can use that as leverage to turn, because this little rubber bit that seals the light into the fixing is a bit of a pain. But on the LED you don't really have much purchase on, because there's not much grip on there, so you need to get it in and then twist by holding onto there. So Anyway, let's see if we can get the other one. So pretty much same again, but this one is a little bit easier. There's a few wires you just need to get out of the way, like the hood latch. There we go, and then twist. There you go. Drop it inside. There you go. Again, you can see how well it seals, how the dirt is not past the O-ring. I might just give this one a wipe. It's clearly got a lot of dirt in. And then we twist that one, pull that out, loosen the little clip there. I don't know if you can see that, the little clip there. You loosen that. There we go. Steady headlight, same again, positive to positive. The thing is with the Stedi, it's got a clip on either side, so depending on how your vehicle is wired, you can put it in either way. So just make sure you go positive to positive. There we go. And check. Yep. And tuck all of that back in. This one is a lot easier because you can go straight in, he says, as he's struggling to get it in. And then twist. You've got a lot more grip on this one because clearly you can get your hand straight in that one. Nightmare. There we go. And get a rag. Let's give that a clean, just a quick wipe. You can see there's a bit of dirt that came off there. Nothing too serious. And then seal it back up. It'll be good to check, just as you make sure that you haven't caught the O-ring accidentally. Yeah, there we go. All good. So there we go. Headlights have been replaced, and she is now good to go. Thank you very much if you made it this far on the video. Like the video, it helps me out, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate to subscribe as well. I'm still growing, I'm still learning in this whole YouTube adventure, so any help and all help is greatly appreciated. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.